Hey, Cloud Crusaders! Welcome back to Hack the Cloud, where we take you on a magical journey through Google Cloud. Today, we're talking about something essential, storage. But wait, storage isn't just one size fits all. Google Cloud gives you different options depending on your needs. So buckle up, because we're going to break down the different types of storage GCP offers and when you should use each. Ready? Let's dive in. Google Cloud Storage, Object Storage. First up is Google Cloud Storage, which is like the all-purpose Swiss Army knife of storage. It's object storage, meaning you can store pretty much anything. Files, videos, images, backups, you name it. You'll mostly use it for static data that doesn't change often, like media assets, archive data, or backups. It comes in multiple flavors, like multi-regional, regional, nearline, and cold line, depending on how frequently you need to access your data and how much you want to pay. We talked about these classes in detail in our last video, so check that out for more info. Filestore, managed file storage. Next, we have Filestore. This is your go-to for file-based applications that need shared storage. Think of it as a high-performance, fully managed file server in the cloud, perfect for workloads like web content management, home directories, or any app that relies on a file system interface. Filestore works well with applications like Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, or if you're running traditional workloads that depend on NFS, Network File System. It's fast, reliable, and scales with your needs, like a drive-thru that never runs out of burgers. Persistent disks. Let's talk about persistent disks. These are block storage devices, which means they're like the hard drives in your computer, but in the cloud. They're perfect for virtual machines, VMs, on Google Compute Engine or Kubernetes Engine. You can choose between standard or SSD persistent disks, depending on whether you want cost-effective storage or high-performance SSD speed. If you're running databases or transactional apps, SSD persistent disks are like rocket fuel. They'll give you the speed boost you need. For local SSDs, ultra-fast temporary storage. If you need blazing fast storage but don't care about permanence, say hello to local SSDs. These are directly attached to VMs and offer extremely high input-output operations per second, IOPS. They're great for temporary, high-performance workloads, like big data processing or in-memory databases. Just keep in mind, local SSDs are ephemeral, meaning the data disappears when the VM is stopped. So it's fast, but not forever, kind of like your favorite limited-time snacks. BigQuery, serverless data warehouse. Now let's level up with BigQuery, Google's serverless data warehouse. This isn't just storage, it's a full-blown analytics platform for querying massive datasets in seconds. It's like a giant library where every book is indexed, and you can find exactly what you need instantly. No librarian required. Use BigQuery when you need to analyze terabytes of data and run SQL queries at lightning speed. It's perfect for things like business intelligence, big data analysis, or when you just want to impress your friends by querying a billion rows in a few seconds. Cloud Spanner, global relational database. Next up is Cloud Spanner, which is kind of like the unicorn of storage solutions. It's a fully managed, horizontally scalable relational database that works across the globe. It's strong in consistency and availability, which makes it ideal for large-scale apps like gaming backends or global financial services. It's basically the dream when you need relational data and global scale, but don't want to compromise on performance or availability. Cloud SQL, managed relational databases. For more traditional relational databases, Cloud SQL is your answer. It supports MySQL, PostgreSQL Server. This is your trusty database engine, except you don't have to manage any of the annoying parts like backups or patching. Use Cloud SQL when you want to run databases with minimal overhead, but still need high availability and the ability to scale. It's perfect for web apps, transactional workloads, or if you're just tired of database maintenance headaches. Cloud Firestore, NoSQL document database. Finally, for NoSQL needs, we've got Cloud Firestore. It's a flexible, scalable NoSQL database for building real-time apps. If you're creating something like a chat app, social media platform, or collaborative tools, Firestore is your friend. Firestore shines when you need real-time syncing, offline support, or if you're building mobile apps that need lightning-fast responsiveness. Wrap up, choosing the right storage for your needs. So, there you have it. 8 different types of storage options in Google Cloud. From object storage in Cloud Storage to relational databases like Cloud SQL and even real-time NoSQL in Filestore, Google Cloud has a storage solution for every need. The key is to choose the right storage type for your workload. Need fast access to massive amounts of data? Use BigQuery. Want high-performance block storage for your VMs? Go for persistent disks or local SSDs. Building an app with real-time collaboration? Filestore's your buddy. That's it for today's storage deep dive. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Hack the Cloud, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest in cloud tech. See you next time, and happy storing.